Most common grammar mistakes that we Indians generally do. Let's fix them together. There are 8 most common grammar mistakes that almost we people make. So number 1, he do not know. It's incorrect. Correct is he doesn't know or he does not know. Second is I'm having a brother. Wrong. Correct it is I have a brother. Third, discuss about the plan. Wrong. Correct is discuss the plan. Fourth, she is my cousin's sister. Incorrect. Correct is she is my cousin. Next, incorrect it is open the fan. Correct is switch on the fan. Incorrect. Myself Pallavi. Wrong. Correct it is I am Pallavi. Next it is he ordered for coffee. Incorrect. Correct is he ordered coffee. Next, most common one. I didn't know. So the correct it is I didn't know. So practice these grammar mistakes and improve them while speaking, and you could have a clearer and smarter English very soon. Stay tuned for more such tips.